as someone who enjoys building things, game development seems like a natural thing, and I always wanted to create a game for myself because I was always frustrated with some of the I don't know, wizard attacks, especially the ice attacks. But regardless, this is what I've been working on, and it's a little side project I'm just entertained by. So I got little animations going on, the idle one, the Y sorting, so my character can go behind the tree, in front of the tree, some basic movement, and that's it. However, what I've learned in the entire process is you need to learn how to code. There is no way around it. I'm using Godot, and coding is one of the things that you just have to do. It's just the essence of the entire thing. It's the engine that makes everything work together. It's like the glue. You can, I don't know, create your sprites, your animations. Where are they? Animations here and everything else. But if you can't link it all together, this is all useless. So, to all of you beginners like me, I'm a total noob when it comes to all of this. I don't get like 99% of stuff. Coding is the bare minimum. You need to get your head around it, and it's not super complicated. The next thing is I'm obviously looking for some tile sets, and I'm mixing and matching the free ones, especially the ones that say personal use and commercial use, just in case someone ever decides to go, oh mate, you use some of my tiles or whatever, I want money or something. So play around with those. And yeah, so I'm using these for the pathway. I'll make a little castle, and I'm just, looking around. What can I find online? What can I use from the free ones? And what will look nice-ish with what I'm using already? So next thing you will have to think about is a tool to edit your pixel art. In my case, because I want a pixel art game thingy. So I'm using Libra Sprite, and it does everything I want it to do. The other thing is I've upscaled the 16 by 16 artwork to 32 by 32 because I like the better resolution. I think it looks better. But for example, this tree had this kind of finish around it, too thick. So I removed all of the double, triple glazing, whatever you call it. It's late. It's light. It's after 12. And I like when it's all having just a double pixel width in black border. So that's what I've done with the first tree, and you've seen it already. I'll be doing it with the green tree and other things that I'll be potentially using. So this is my overworld. So this is what's going to be on top. And I also found this beauty, the dungeon. This is Kenny's pack. He's got some interesting stuff if you want to check this guy out. So I'm using the overworld one for the overworld, like the grassland, and I'll be using his dungeon pack for the underworld dungeon. So it's gonna be a little dungeon crawler RPG killy thingo. I don't even know. I'm just enjoying this. And I upscaled these as well. So they are looking really nicely, I think. And again, I'll be redoing them whenever I'll be using a tile for a particular thing. I will be making sure they have a border of 2 pixels in pure black. And other thing about tutorials, sure, you use tutorials. I got one from Udemy, which I just bought just to see how it feels like. It was only £16, so not like the end of the world. It's good. I can't say it's bad. I'm like, I don't know, somewhere here on the 14th. Yes, it even has a check mark. So I didn't go through all the 77 of them. The problem with tutorials is they don't really explain everything, let's say, properly. They'll give you a general idea, which is good. You just Monkey do, monkey say. You just copy whatever they are doing. They give you some overview what's happening. But what I found is you just mess around. Just this now, after watching the tutorial up to the certain level, now I'm trying to do things myself, make mistakes, botch it badly, things don't work, try to find something in the documentation, go back to a tutorial, find a different tutorial online and see what it does. And yeah, that's I think how you actually learn. You just try all these buttons and thing goes and see, oh that worked, oh that went absolutely sideways. But yeah, it's a time-consuming animal, this game development. So, hats off to any solo dev that actually is making a living of this, or is thinking to make a living of this, because this is hard work. Well, anyhow, again, the point that I want you to take from this video is coding. You need to be able to code. Basic code, I don't care. All you need, the necessities. You will need to do some coding, that's it. The rest is kind of fun. Coding, not bad, but you need to code. Don't even fool yourself. That's it for my midnight ramble. Bye, thanks for watching.